Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing morph transition animation in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And I have also provided the template color palette in it as well. So first of all, insert the circle of same height and width. Go to Format Shape and remove its outline and give it a picture fill. You can use any picture you want. Now you can adjust the size of the image by copying it. Go to shadow and give it this first shadow and increase the distance and increase the blur. Push it to the middle of the template and go to format background and change the background's color accordingly. I can use different colors, but right now this color looks the most suitable. So let's close the format background and insert our text. I have pasted it onto the previous slide so that I can make this tutorial quick for you. So I'll just give the header a bold font and next I'll increase its size. And for the content text, I'll give it a white color. Let's just put it right here and decrease its size and change both of their color to white. Select both of them and group them to put them into the middle and then ungroup them. Duplicate the same template and you're gonna move the text onto the left side, but the circle goes into the middle. And the title goes onto the top. Let's just align it into the center and copy the other title and just paste it into the title right here. Let's use the same text format. And for this text, I'll just uh, paste this one right here. And then I'll just cut half of it. And then I'll paste it into this text box. So the text format will remain the same. Let's just duplicate this text box right here. Let's give it the same spacing, but alignment goes onto the right side. So this is how you make this text as the same as the previous one. Next, rotate the circle and go to Format Shape and insert another image. And you go to crop and be sure to uncheck this small tiny box which says. Next, duplicate the slide after changing the background color. And next, move the circle onto the left side. But if you want to move it onto the right side, you can also move it. And for the text box, let's just move it downwards. And for the title, we're just gonna align it into the right side. Let's paste our another title and use the same text format. And for the content text, we're also gonna paste it from the previous slide. But be sure to use the same text format. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. Now change the picture in the circle and crop it and rotate the circle as well. Change the background color and select both of the three templates and go to Transitions tab and click on Morph Transition. So this is the final result of this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And you can also download this template for free from the link in the description below.